Why do 99% of puppies make us laugh? Max here is about to show you, so here's Max. He takes eating to a whole new level. First, the sniff test. To make sure his kibble hasn't been tampered with. Next up, the paw dip, because every great chef knows you have to feel your food. And then, he goes for the dramatic, slow-motion chew. It's like he's savoring a 5-star meal. But wait, there's more. The food flip. A backflip with a twist of kibble. Max isn't just eating, he's performing. Oh, and the piece de resistance? The classic "I'm full but just one more bite" face. Get ready to laugh out loud and fall in love with Max, the puppy foodie extraordinaire. Hit that like button if you want more Max in your life. Catch you in the next one, pet lovers.